So first of all, my name is Lynn Stewart, and I manage the Engineering Co-op and Career Services. And I think I have the best job on campus. I have the best job on campus because I get to work with all of the co-op students, and the best part of my job is I get to go out into the workplace and see what co-op students do while they're on their work terms. Some of our co-op students are on work terms of 8, 12, or 16 months. So while they're on the job, they're actually doing really, really genuine engineering work. And they're doing really, really interesting things. So whenever I go out to a workplace, I always take my hard shoes, my safety shoes, and my safety glasses and everything so I can get a tour, so I can actually see what the students are doing. So there are all sorts of interesting things that you can do with an engineering degree, and helping students try to navigate through those different kinds of decisions is really, really great. We work with a lot of employers too. A lot of employers will come on campus because they want to recruit good students. So a lot of what we do is understand what the employers look for and help the students to get there. We work with students on developing a really good resume, doing interview skills. We try to do everything that we can to make it as sensible as possible, to make sure that you're really prepared, and to make sure that you're really going to be competitive. And so you'll go into that interview, you'll feel good about your skills, you'll feel good about being a good match for that company, so you'll perform well, you'll impress the employer, they'll take you on, and everything will work out really, really well. We host a lot of events on campus as well. We have a lot of employers who will come on campus, talk to you about the different kinds of things that they do at their companies. We have employer panels where they talk about the development of professional skills. We have all sorts of different kinds of workshops on career-related matters, like, cover letter and resume critiques, interview skills, mock interviews. We talk about the development of professional competencies that all engineers develop, things like good communication skills, developing professional relationships, all of those kinds of things. So anything that you need, that's what we do. Co-op is a fascinating way for you to get an introduction to your discipline. An engineering degree is a really, really versatile degree. And if I was better in math and I was about 35 years younger, I would probably want to go back and go into engineering, but that's a little late now. But engineers work in all sorts of different environments. They work in law offices. They work in banks as financial analysts. I see them in just about every environment you can imagine. And again, the one thing that they have in common is that they're getting an engineering degree, which is a really good education in technical analysis and interpretation. So it will take you in all sorts of really, really interesting directions. It's hard to know what you like and what you're good at until you actually do it. So being on a co-op work term gives you the chance to see what it's like to do something day in and day out, and see if that's something that you really like. See if it's something that you don't like, and that's just as important. I'm going to have to send you away onto your next event, but thank you very much. It's been a pleasure, and I hope you have a great day.